Welcome to our TeamGuru tutorial. This video is designed for external partners of our customers. Our customers have a great opportunity to invite their customers, suppliers, or other third-party contacts into our TeamGuru system and cooperate with them online on various documents. And our video guide today is about collecting metrics and collaborating on metric dashboards. Let's get started. First step, you will receive an email that will indicate that your TeamGuru access has been granted and you can set up your login and password information by just clicking this link. And the link will take you to the website, and here it will prompt you to create your new password. And once you create your new password, you will click on Change Password. And now you are logged into your TeamGuru account. Here you will see your profile. You will see on TeamGuru page you have an option to use newsfeed, my action, my notes, and to-do list. To learn more about this, you can visit our TeamGuru Learning and Support Center website. And here on the left side, you will see the modules that you have access to. And today we're going to learn how to enter data into your metric dashboard. So on the left side, you have to click on metric dashboards module. And when you click on it, it will take you directly to a documents that you can access. And here you can see that you can access two dashboards. And to view your dashboard, you just have to click on one. So let's just click on the first one, TGCA Weekly Site Metrics. And here you can see the title of the dashboard, owner of the dashboard. On the left side, you will see all the metrics that you will be collecting data for. And these metrics can be also sorted by groups. Here you will see that you can enter data either just directly into your dashboard just by clicking in, or you can also use the spreadsheet view. And I will show you that shortly. And here you can see that we are collecting our data weekly, but you have an option to choose daily, monthly, quarterly, and yearly also. And here you see that we are in a 34th week, 2019, and here you will see the week 34 highlighted. So let's get started and learn how we can enter data into our dashboard. And the first option how to enter data into your dashboard, data entry, is when you just click into the cell that you would like to enter the values. And here you will see the combination of your metric and of your org unit that you are entering data for. And here you are able to just manually input actual value data or planned data. You also have an option to check the box if there is no value applicable for this period. And you are able to also add comments. And there are also other features, but for entering data into your dashboard, you just need to work with these fields and the comment field. So let's say that I will put actual value 10, comment testing, and then I have to go ahead and save and close. And now you will see that your value is displayed in your dashboard, and you will also see with this blue button there is a comment. So when I click on it, you can see that comment right away. And the next option how to enter data into your dashboard, it is the spreadsheet view option. And it is, let's say that you would like to enter data for several weeks and then you don't want to click in each cell separately. In that case, you just choose the spreadsheet view option. And now you can see the metrics on the left. You can see all your weeks and you are ready to start entering data. So let's say that we just enter our data. And here it's very important, you have to watch this option that you are entering data for, if it's actual values, planned values, or forecast value. Otherwise you can override data that it's already in the system. So first check this option, enter all the data you need, and then you have to click Save button. And now let's go back to our dashboard and check our values. So we first have to change the spreadsheet view to data entry. It will take us back to our dashboard. And here we see the values that we just entered. And when you finish entering your data, you can always go back to Metric Dashboards module and go to your other dashboard and enter data there also. And the procedure will be the same. And before we finish today, we would like to recommend for the best TeamGuru user experience to use Chrome web browser. And this should be it, covering basics of entering data to metric dashboards. But if you have any questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@teamguru.com. We would be very happy to hear from you.